Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Are you all ready to uncover the top 10 MBBS colleges in Chennai? From historic institutions like Madras Medical College and Stanley Medical College to acclaimed universities like Sri Ramachandra and Savitha, stay tuned as we explore the cream of medical education in the city. Let's begin and talk about the college that stands on number 10th position, Sri Lalithambigai Medical College and Hospital, Chennai. It's a private college. The tuition fee per year I'm talking about, it's 18 lakhs 90,000. Number of beds, it's 658, and the hospital associated is Sri Lalithambigai Hospital. The highest closing rank for the 5-year MBBS program for the year 2023, it was 11 lakhs 11,832. And the highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 6,17,590. Over here, I'm talking about All India Counseling if I talk about the deemed university. So for deemed university, the counseling happens through MCC only. Okay. Now, these closing rank data is filtered on the basis of round 1, 2 and 3, last rank and the open category students. Okay. Moving here and talking about the college that stands on number 9th. It's Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital, Chennai. It's a private college and the tuition fee per year is 27 lakhs 50,000. Number of beds 1170. The hospital associated is Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital. The highest closing rank for the year 2023, it was 12 lakhs 18,682. Talking about the highest closing rank for the year 2024, it was 11 lakhs 3,028. So if I talk about the quota, All India Counseling, deemed university, that's the main thing, okay? Now moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 8th position, ESIC Medical College and Postgraduate Institute of Medical Science and Research. It's a government college, so the tuition fee per year is 1 lakh, number of beds 800. The associated hospital, ESIC Medical College and Hospital, KK Nagar, Chennai. The highest closing rank for this particular college for 5 years MBBS program for the year 2023, it was 1,059, and the highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 1,167. It was through state counseling. Okay, talking about the college, it stands on number 7th position. It's Chettinad Hospital and Research Institute, Kanchipuram. Okay, it's a private college. Tuition fee 27 lakhs. Number of beds 1,770. Associated Hospital, Chettinad Hospital and Research Institute, Kanchipuram. The highest closing rank for MBBS program 2023, it was 10,66,553. The highest closing rank for 2024 was 8,25,168. If I talk about the quota, All India Counseling, since it's a deemed university I'm talking about. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 6th position, Government Kilpauk Medical College, Chennai. It's a government college. Tuition fee per year 4,000. Number of beds 2,010. Associated Hospital, Government Kilpauk Medical College and Hospital. The highest closing rank for 2023 for MBBS program was 506. The highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 513 through state counseling. Moving ahead about the college that stands on number 5th position, Stanley Medical College, Chennai. It's a government college. Number of beds 2,180. The associated hospital, Government Stanley Medical College and Hospital. The highest closing rank was 313 for the year 2023, and the highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 337 through state counseling. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 4th position, it's Sri Ramachandra Medical College and Research Institute, Chennai. It's a private college. The tuition fee per year, it's 30 lakhs. Number of beds 1,700. Associated Hospital, Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. Highest closing rank was 2,73,789 for the year 2023, and the highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 3,23,997 through All India Counseling, since it's a deemed university. Moving in and talking about the college that stands in number 3rd position, SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Chennai. It's a private college. Tuition fee 28 lakhs. Number of beds 1501 Associated Hospital, SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center. The highest closing rank for this college for the year 2023 was 8,03,627. And the highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 6,37,582 through All India Counseling. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 2nd position, Savitha Medical College and Hospital, Kanchipuram. It's a private college. Tuition fee per year 25 lakhs. Number of beds 1600. Associated Hospital, Savitha Medical College and Hospital. The highest closing rank for the year 2023 was 6,09,404 and the highest closing rank for the year 2024 was 5,68,054. So talking about the quota, All India Counseling, since it's a deemed university. Talking about the college, it stands in number 1 position. It's Madras Medical College, Chennai. The ownership is government. I mean to say it's a government college. Number of beds, 6,802. Associated Hospital, Madras Medical College. Highest closing rank for the year 2023, it was 146. And the highest closing rank for the year 2024, it was 129. The quota, obviously the state counseling. It's through state counseling you are going to get this particular college. So this was all about the top 10 MBBS colleges in Chennai. Whether it's the legacy of Madras Medical College, the academic excellence of Sri Ramachandram, or the modern infrastructure of private institutions like Savitha and SRM, Chennai truly offers a diverse and high quality gateway for aspiring doctors. So best of luck on your medical journey.